Hey Santa, will I have Christmas gifts this year?
No. This year no. Why? Because you have misbehaved in the shopping mall, among other things. So, you don't deserve it. That means you are on the naughty kids list.
You know what? You putting me on the naughty kids list. That's it. I'm going to beat up you.
No 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 no.
Yay 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 yay. I beat up Santa. Yes.
Oh my god. You, Franny, did you beat up Santa?
Yes, I did.
Franny, how dare you beat up Santa Claus? You know that you are on the naughty kids list. That's it. I'm call your parents.
No 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 no.
Franny, how do you beat up Santa, just for being on the naughty kids list? That's it. You are grounded for 300 years. Go to bed now.
You hurts my feelings. Why?